Hello everyone, this is Imo from Wellcare. Today we are going to our baby diaper factory. So we are going to laboratory, warehouse, and a workshop to introduce our factory. Hello everyone, this is Imo. So our workshop has 4 automatic production line. Okay, let's go down to see our machine. Now behind me is our baby pants production line. This line runs at a speed of 560 pieces per minute. Let me take you through some key details. Web guider, rotary unit, C-shape, self-sheet feeding. Once the products are completed, selected diaper samples are sent to a laboratory for quality inspection. Re-wet test, tensile strength test, absorption test, retention capacity test. Products from the same batch that pass inspection are transported through this conveyor belt to the next work area. Here, we achieve automated combing combined with manual inspection, followed by final sealing and packaging. Every product you see here, we can customize it for your brand, your market, your demand, OEM, ODM, private label, full support. Meet us in Dubai, ABC&MOM EXPO 2025, booth 6A108. Let's build your next best-selling product together.